Hey, it's Stefan here, along with my partner Greg, and I'm going to show you exactly how we have been using a new method of getting blog posts for $5 without having to write a single thing and turning them into as much as $500 to $1,000 in passive income using 100% free traffic. And how it worked incredibly well, allowing us to buy more and more blog posts at the $5 price point and scale our passive income without ever having to pay for traffic. Yes, this means we acquire blog posts for as little as $5, put them through our passive, free traffic methods, and spit out as much as $300, $500, and even $1,000 in passive income on each post. And this is without any product creation or any paid traffic. In fact, you don't have to sell anything. Just acquire blog posts for $5 and put them through our traffic methods and spit out passive income with each post that you set up. Now, if you know anything about myself or Greg, you know that we are some of the few good guys that sell products that have changed the lives of many. But for those of you who don't know us, your BS detectors may be going off in your head right now. In the beginning, we thought it would be a lucky fluke too. We paid $5 for each post and then tested 6 blog posts to see if we could repeat it. And guess what? We got the same results time and time again. We kept getting more blog posts and passive income kept expanding. Each blog post was like a branch on a tree, growing our passive income like weeds. Now, all of this was only possible because we figured out how to generate consistent, free traffic just like this. So it really became as simple as getting more blog posts, running them through our free traffic system, which we managed to automate, and spitting out passive income on the other end. So that brings us to the cold hard truth. These $5 blog posts are a method of building passive income and generating free traffic that is perfect for anyone. And anyone can set up these blog posts and put them through our free traffic methods with 20 to 30 minutes a day. So, if you're tired of all the BS out there and the spammy loopholes by shady vendors, we want to help you. It's your turn now. That's why we created Bloggy. Bloggy is an over-the-shoulder, in-depth course with 25 videos across 5 modules. Each module includes several videos and full resources, and by that, I mean you'll be watching how we do it, right over the shoulder, so there's no chance that you can mess this up. You're about to see how we turn $5 into as much as $1,000 over and over again. I'll also be showing you how to automate this entire process so that you can let the traffic gods do all of the work for you, bringing you thousands and hands-off free visitors constantly. You'll even know how to keep scaling and grow your passive income while working way less, even building big email lists in the process. Imagine having the power to turn silly $5 blog posts into hundreds or even thousands of dollars in passive income with 100% free traffic, finally allowing you to create the passive income that you've been promised since you first started learning about make money products. So, if you're at all curious about the easy way to generate passive income our way in any niche with 100% free traffic, then it only makes sense to try out Bloggy risk-free at the low introductory price only available right now. In the time you spent thinking about it, you could have already went through the training inside of Bloggy and set up your first $5 blog post. Wouldn't it be nice to finally have the free traffic method you need that allows you results without paying crazy traffic prices? Of course it would. So scroll down below this video and make the wise choice of trying out Bloggy. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain. We can't wait to hear about your results.